Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about something that we've all been through at some point in our lives, that is, making tough decisions. I know firsthand how stressful it can be to make difficult choices, whether it's deciding on a career path, ending a relationship, or even choosing what to eat for dinner. So, in this video, I'm going to share some tips that have helped me make the right decisions in difficult situations. Watch this video till the end if you are serious about it, because we will cover very important points. You might be not gone with that, so let's start. First of all, it's important to take a step back and assess the situation. Ask yourself what your end goal is and what your options are. Let's say you are trying to decide whether or not to take a new job offer. Ask yourself if the new job aligns with your long-term goals, if it will provide you with new opportunities, and if it's worth the risk. Another important thing to consider is your values. In difficult situations, it can be easy to get caught up in the moment and lose sight of what's important to you. For example, if you're in a toxic relationship, it can be hard to leave even though you know it's the right thing to do. Remembering your values and priorities can help you make the right decision. Lastly, don't be afraid to seek advice from others. Talk to people you trust, whether it's a close friend, family member, or mentor. They may be able to provide you with a new perspective or help you see things from a different angle. To give you an example, I once had to make a tough decision about whether to quit my job and pursue my passion for writing. It was scary and uncertain, but I knew that I would never be happy unless I took the risk. By assessing my end goal, considering my values, and seeking advice from others, I was able to make the right decision and am now living my dream. In conclusion, making difficult decisions can be stressful, but by taking a step back, considering your values, and seeking advice from trusted sources, you can make the right choice. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any other tips or real-life examples, feel free to share them in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.